Hi, this is Abhijit and you are watching my YouTube channel AB Study Circle. Do like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any video from AB Study Circle. In this video, we will discuss a question which has been asked in CSVTU University Exam in 2008. The question is like this. A mass of gas is compressed in a quasi-static process from 80 kilopascal and 0.1 meter cube of volume to 0.4 megapascal and 0.03 meter cube of volume. Assuming that the pressure and volume are related by PV to the power n is constant, find the work done by the gas. It's a very simple question being asked. The trick is that it's a quasi-static process, which means it is a reversible process. So we can apply our concepts of closed system work, and it is been told us that it's related by PV to the power n is constant. This means it's a polytropic process. So we know. Let's start the question, right, with given things. Initial pressure P1 is 80 kilopascal. We will take it as kilopascal only. We will not change into pascal. The final pressure as P2 is 0.4, it's megapascal, so we will convert it into kilopascal, into 10 to the power 3 kilopascal. Initial volume, it is also given V1 as 0.1 meter cube. Final volume V2 as 0.03 meter cube, right? And we also know that the law is governed by PV to the power n is constant. Okay. So what we have to find out? To find PV to the power, we have to find work done right. So as we know, the law is governed by, as we know that PV to the power n is constant, then work done is been written as P1 V1 minus P2 V2 by n minus 1. And now see, we know P1 V1, we know P2 V2. The only unknown is n, so we have to find out n. So how will we find out this n? We will apply the ideal gas equations for various processes, and here the process is for polytropic process. So we will write P1 V1 as we know, right? P1 V1 to the power n is equal to P2 V2 to the power n. 80 into 0.1 to the power n is equal to 0.4 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.03 to the power n. Right? So from here n is equal to 1.3. When n is 1.3, our work done we got P1 as 80 into V1 as 0.1. It's 0.4 into 10 to the power 3 into 0.03, right? We will divide it by 1.3 minus 1. The answer will be minus 13.33 kilojoule, which means work done on the system. Minus sign indicates work done on the system. This is your answer.